Today I'm showing you how to make the most amazing air fryer corn on the cob. Succulent sweet corn is coated in an herb butter sauce and air fried to perfection. This just might be your new favorite way to make corn. I'm Christina from It Is a Keeper, and I share tried and true recipes that anyone can make, like this air fryer herb butter corn. It's cooked perfectly without any fuss or mess, and the herb butter, well, you'll want to spread that stuff on everything. So let me show you how to make it. Okay, so first things first, I have my air fryer preheating behind me, so you might hear that whooshing in the background, but we are going to begin by making our herb butter. So here I have some melted butter. I always use unsalted, that way I can control the amount of salt that goes in. And to this, we are going to add some lemon pepper seasoning. We want to season it up good. And I'm going to add some of my all-purpose seasoning blend to give it a little bit of salt. Then we are going to add some minced fresh parsley. Not the dried stuff, I've got the fresh stuff here. And we'll give that all a stir. Easy peasy, right? Okay. We're gonna set this aside and we're gonna work on our corn. So here I have some peeled corn on the cob, and I'm just going to cut it in half because we want to stand it upright in the air fryer. So I find that halves work best because we're going to stand it just like that. All right. So we have all of our corn cut up. I'm just going to toss that to the side, and we are going to wait for our air fryer to be done. Okay, so our air fryer is preheated. I'm going to put half a piece of parchment paper into the air fryer. Just makes cleanup a little bit simpler. So let me slide this off to the side. We don't need to spray it or anything. There's plenty here in the butter that will keep anything from sticking. So we give that butter mixture a quick stir. Then we're just going to roll the corn, get it fully coated in the butter, and stand it up in the air fryer basket. Really doesn't get much simpler than this. So I am like a corn on the cob fanatic. Have been ever since I was a kid. My mother said even at like 2 years old, I was like obsessed with it. It's just one of those things that I just love. But just think of all the different ways you could change up this herb butter. You can put any kind of seasoning in here. We were talking off camera about using Trader Joe's elote seasoning and mixing that in with the butter. Oh, that would be amazing. All right, last one. Fully coated. We're gonna pop it in the air fryer, nice high temperature for about 10 to 12 minutes. Okay, here we are. You guys, this smells amazing. Look at this perfectly tender corn. We're not done yet. So I have our reserved butter over here with a basting brush. So as I take these out, I'm just going to give them a quick baste with some more butter. All right, so we're basting up this last one. I love the browned bits on the end. That's gonna be like my favorite part. I just know it. Okay, so I'm going to take whatever's left here. I am not wasting this butter, and I'm just going to right over the top. I'm going to finish it off with a sprinkling of fresh parsley and a little extra hit of my all-purpose seasoning. I'm not a big salt eater, but this is a little insight to me. I don't like a lot of extra salt on food, but when it comes to corn on the cob, can't be salty enough. Okay, and let me just show you. You are gonna be thankful I showed you this little parchment paper trick, because just look at the mess that's inside this air fryer basket. Parchment paper, you just pick it up and throw it away. All right, I cannot wait to dive into this, and I'm taking this piece here with this nice brown end. There's no pretty way to eat corn, so I'm just diving in. Oh, this makes me so happy. The lemon pepper, it is so bright and so flavorful with a little bit of, the little bit of pepper in there. Oh, you guys, it's divine. Okay, so I need to know, do you eat your corn side to side or around in a circle? So I eat it around in a circle from the middle, and then I work in circles to the outside rings. Kind of weird like that. But I'd be interested to know, how do you eat your corn? Round in a circle or side to side? Or are you one of those that just bites wherever? Because I don't think we could be friends if that's you. This air fryer corn with herb butter is definitely a keeper. What's your favorite topping for corn on the cob? Let me know in the comments below. And if you want another amazing corn recipe, make sure you check out my elote corn salad. It is amazing. Thanks for joining me today. You can get the full printable recipe in the video description below. I will see you next time. Bye.